In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get colored folders in OneDrive Windows File Explorer. If you want to make your OneDrive folders easier to recognize at a glance, changing their color is a quick and simple way to do it. This can be especially helpful if you manage a lot of folders for different projects, clients, schoolwork, or personal files, and want a more visual way to stay organized. To get started, open File Explorer on your Windows computer and go to your OneDrive folder. Make sure you're inside the OneDrive location where your synced folders appear in File Explorer, since this color option is tied specifically to folders stored there. Once you're in OneDrive, find the folder you want to customize. After that, right-click on that folder to open the context menu. In the menu, hover over the OneDrive option. This will expand a submenu with additional OneDrive-related actions. From there, select the folder color option. As soon as you click that, a dialog box will appear on your screen. In this window, you'll see a selection of color swatches that you can choose from. These are the available folder colors you can apply to help your folder stand out. Take a moment to pick the color that works best for your organization style. For example, you might use one color for work folders, another for personal documents, and another for shared content. The exact system is up to you, but using colors consistently can make navigation much faster over time. After selecting your preferred color, click Apply. The change should take effect right away, so you won't need to restart File Explorer or refresh anything manually in most cases. Once applied, your folder's icon will immediately update to the color you selected. That means the folder will now be visually different from the standard OneDrive folders, making it easier to spot when you're browsing through your files. And that's it. That's how to get colored folders in OneDrive Windows File Explorer. If you don't see the folder color option, make sure you're right-clicking a folder inside your actual OneDrive directory and that your OneDrive app is properly installed and active on your PC. In many cases, the feature only appears when OneDrive integration is fully available in a File Explorer. With just a few clicks, you can make your OneDrive folders cleaner, easier to scan, and much more organized visually.